Happy New Year! It is 2019, and that is going to be a big year for trekkers, and we want you to come with us on an amazing project we have underway.
So we're super excited. We're going to be visiting all 103 state parks in the state of Michigan, all the way from the Ohio and Indiana border to Lake Superior and all the way across to the Upper Peninsula to the Porcupine Mountains, all the way over near Wisconsin.
It's a big state, and there are a lot of things to see in this state, and that includes all 103 state parks. What makes 2019 special for Michigan is it is the Centennial. The state park system got started in the state of Michigan back in 1919, so the Department of Natural Resources is going to spend all of 2019 celebrating that, and we wanted to be a part of it. So we're going to work with the Department of Natural Resources to help them promote what they're doing, and we need to give a big shout out to Roadtrek, an Erwin-Heimer group of North America who is helping to sponsor part of our trip, and they are going to help to promote what we're doing and help promote the state of Michigan and the state parks that we have here. And it's just going to be a great collaboration. I think it's going to be a really fun year. We obviously like to be outside a lot. We do a lot of hiking, we do mountain biking, we do camping. We fall in holes when we're hiking and trying to shoot video. It's just something that we like to do, being outside as much as possible. And what we want to do is show you what you can do at the state parks in Michigan. There's a lot of stuff you can do, hiking and biking. You can camp in a lot of them, although not all of them. I think it's about 3/4 of them have campgrounds. And then we're going to talk about other things that we can do because there's so many different places around the state.
Yeah,
we're going to step down here because you're really short.
I know, I fell in a hole over there.
Okay.
You kept going.
So there's a lot of places around the state that you can do a lot of different things. You like laying on the beach. You can do that at a state park in Michigan.
Pretty much. Can we just do that all year? Because that would be fantastic.
Yes.
But we also, we like to go biking and snowshoeing and kayaking and just there's a lot of things that you can do, and we're going to hope to show you that. What's really cool about the state parks too is not all of them are overnight campgrounds. Some of them have historical markers. You just drive in for the day, check it out, maybe have a picnic, read a book, do whatever. And I think that's one of the cool things about Michigan is that there's just so much to do. And we really just want to showcase that and let you guys see, why you should come to Michigan and visit us.
You can follow along with our adventures as we visit all of the state parks here on YouTube, or you can go to our website, trekkers.org. You can also follow us on Instagram at trekkersorg, and we're on Twitter at trekkersorg as well. And we're going to be using a couple of hashtags, so it's easier to follow us as well.
Right, so you want to do hashtag hike camp go, as well as hashtag mystateparks100. And you'll be able to follow not our adventures, but also just the Centennial of the state parks in general. So we want you to come along with us and keep on trekking.
I just got back from a sign shop near our house where I had a little work done on the van. Jesse and I are excited as we get underway with our state park project for 2019. I think it's safe to say that people are going to know how to follow along on our adventures as we complete our big state park project in 2019, thanks to this little addition. So if you spot us in our van out on the road, go ahead and give a shout out with our hashtag, HikeCampGo. Let us know where you saw us. We'd love to hear from you. Happy 2019. What did you do?
I was going to say Happy New Year.
Oh, Jesus.
But I want to see if
Happy New Year. Okay,
we should
we'll
probably
stop
see if we're in the shop first.
You can follow along with our adventures at this YouTube channel. Well, you're on the YouTube channel, obviously. Okay. This is behind the scenes video. This is what happens when you're trying to put your glove on. Trying to figure out what the heck to do. Whoa.
Whoa.
Come back.
Over here. No, over here.
Come on.
Over here. Over here.
Okay.
Moving it.
Here we go.